Here we have the Polychem, the PC1000. Now we got this unit in here for a bit of service. It came in and it was looking pretty rough. You know, mainly what we do is we kind of run through all the settings on the machine. We normally check the track, the strap track, make sure it's clean, it's clear, that all the brushes in there are all in place and all working perfectly. And then obviously we go underneath and take off all the covers, and we check the strap-in head. And as you can see, this machine has had years of work on it, and see how clean, spotless it is. We use a brush, wire brush. We clean the strap-in head and the heater, and we blow out and oil all of the cogs and all of the joints and all of the fittings, to make sure that all the springs are lubed, everything moves freely, none of the springs are damaged, and everything works good. And then we check to make sure that all the strap is tracking correctly, and we run it maybe 100 cycles just to see if it misses any cycles, any reason, and we just run through all the settings again. So again, here we have a Polychem, a PC1000 semi-automatic tabletop strapping machine. So if you've got one of these units, you need some service work, or you've had it for a few years and you haven't done any maintenance on it or replaced any of the parts, give us a shout here at Quick Pack Service Department, and we'll have your strapping machine pretty much back to perfect running condition.